Hello, I am Ajit Kumar. I have done Masters in Mathematics and B.Ed from Christ University. I have an experience of 5 years as HOD of Mathematics in one of the reputed school in Bangalore. Apart from that, I have my own YouTube channel where I teach uh, some of the topics and I upload the videos in YouTube. In today's class, let's discuss one of the important topic, which is trigonometry. Okay, so trigonometry, uh, before we go into the topic, let's understand the etymology of trigonometry. So we know that trigno in Greek, trigno means triangle, metry means measure. So trigonometry is a subject where we study about measurement of triangles. Measurement of triangle means what? Triangle is basically what? It's a three-sided figure. So it's a three-sided figure. So measuring sides and angles of a triangle, we will study in trigonometry. Now, in trigonometry, we study only about right angle triangles. You know that in triangles there are different type of triangles like scalene triangle, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle. So we study only about right angle triangle. What is right angle triangle basically? Right angle triangle means it's a triangle where any one angle is 90 degree. Okay, for example, if you consider this is a triangle, so this is A, B and C. So ABC is a right angle triangle where B, angle B is 90 degree. So in any triangle, if one angle is 90 degree, we say that it's a right angle triangle. So in trigonometry, we will study only about finding the sides and angles of right angle triangle, not any other triangle. Now, before we go into the topic, there are few things which you need to know about right angle triangle. The first thing is the side. There are three sides here. AB is one side, BC is one side, and AC is one side. The side that is opposite to 90 degree, we call this side as hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means it's a side only. We give specific name. Like we are all human beings, but each of us has separate name. Like that, we give this particular side. The side AC has hypotenuse. And what is hypotenuse? Thus, it is a side which is opposite to the angle 90 degree. So whatever the angle, whatever the side which is opposite to 90 degree, we call that as hypotenuse. Okay. So I hope I've cleared this concept. This is hypotenuse. Now in trigonometry, we consider angles. Instead of writing angle C or angle A, we use specific angle which is called as theta. That means we denote the angle as theta. Instead of writing angle A, if you write this as theta, that means theta means it's angle A only. Okay, so whatever the angle, instead of writing angle A, angle C, we write it as theta. Now in trigonometry, we will consider few angles. Now if you consider theta as angle A, the side that is opposite to angle theta, we will call it as opposite side. And the remaining side we call it as adjacent side. So in right angle triangle in trigonometry, there will be three sides and we name three sides as opposite, adjacent and hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the side that is opposite to the angle 90 degree, and the side which is opposite to the angle that we have chosen, that is called opposite side, and the remaining is adjacent side. Now if you let's say the same diagram, I am writing it here again, the same triangle I am considering it, but I am just changing the angle theta. So A here, B and C. So this is 90 degree, B is angle 90 degree, but instead of theta as angle A, I consider theta as angle C. Then what happens? Let's see. So you know that the side that is opposite to 90 degree, we call it as hypotenuse. So AC is hypotenuse. Now here, in this case, the opposite side was BC, but here opposite side is AB. Why? Because we considered angle theta as this one. So theta is the side that is opposite to the angle theta. So this is AB. So which is opposite side is AB here, and this is adjacent side. So basically adjacent side and the opposite side depends on the angle that we have chosen, and hypotenuse is the side which is opposite to the angle 90 degree. So with this we will define 6 trigonometric ratios. So this is the introduction to trigonometry, wherein you have understood opposite side, hypotenuse and adjacent side, and then we define 6 trigonometric ratios. What are those? The first one is sine theta. Okay, what is sine theta? It is basically opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay, that means BC by AC. And then we define cos theta. Cos theta is basically adjacent side by hypotenuse. So we define 6 trigonometric ratios like this: sine, cos, and then next is tan theta. Tan theta is basically when you divide sine by cos. Sine by cos, whatever you divide, what you get? Opposite by hypotenuse divided by adjacent by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse gets cancelled. We get opposite by adjacent side. Opposite by adjacent side. So 3 is over, another 3 is there. Next is cot theta. So once you know sine and cos, it's very easy to define the others, because sine by cos we give tan, and cot theta is a reciprocal of tan. So tan, what we got here, opposite by adjacent. That means cot will be adjacent by how opposite. Next, secant theta. Secant theta is reciprocal of cos theta. So cos theta, here we got adjacent by hypotenuse. So here we get hypotenuse by adjacent. And then cosecant theta. So cosecant theta is basically the reciprocal of sine theta. Sine is opposite by hypotenuse. So we get hypotenuse by opposite. So this is the introduction to trigonometry, wherein we have learned basically the concept of a right angle triangle, opposite side, adjacent side, and hypotenuse, and then we define sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot, secant, and cosecant theta. These are the 6 trigonometric ratios in trigonometry. This is the foundation. So in the entire trigonometry, we will see sine, cos, tan, everything. So this is the introduction class of trigonometry. I hope you all have understood this concept. Thank you.